Hello, my name is Hilary and along with my husband John, we're the owners of the Dream Doors showroom in Beeston.
We are a one-stop shop for all your kitchen requirements. We can do everything from a simple door swap through to a whole new kitchen and everything in between.
We're proud to be working with our main suppliers, which are Neff, Whirlpool, Blanca sinks and taps, Franca, and also our Deco Glaze for the amazing splashbacks we can offer you with some wonderful colourings.
Our worktops, we have a range of worktops, solid wood worktops, quartz, granite, a seamless worktop and everything in between. Nice thing is for any of our customers is awkward corners, difficult sizes aren't a problem. All our doors and cabinets are made to measure. So no longer do you need to have areas that are not accessible or odd sized cabinets in your kitchen. We've always got a solution. We're situated just off the A52 on Woollerton Road near Sainsbury's. There's 3 hours free parking, so please pop in, say hello.
We'd love you to come into our showroom. You're very welcome to come in, meet the team and see the amazing quality of the products that we can provide you to transform your kitchen into something you'd be really, really proud of.